So we've made the principal axis. We've made where the mirror is going to go. We've made a distance 10 centimeters for the object. And then we need to mark the focal distance, and we need to mark the center of curvature. This is a converging mirror. So that means that the focal point is on the same place as the object. So mark out 15 centimeters, which I get here. And mark out 30 centimeters, which I get here. Make your object, it's nice if you make it 1 centimeter. It actually will work out no matter what it is, but make it some mark that you know. So that you could see it, I actually had to make mine taller. I had to make my object about 5 centimeters tall. And now we start constructing rays. The first ray I'm going to make is a ray that comes in parallel to the axis. It's going to get right about here, same height as the object. And then it's going to end up going out through the focal point. The second ray I'm going to make is very similar. This one's going to go in from the focal point, and it's going to come out parallel. So it's like the same kind of ray, but it's the reverse of it. So here's my focal points. Here's my image. So there is the ray coming from the focal point, going through the top of the image. That's the incoming ray. Then get up and move closer. I cannot make the smart board come closer to you. In fact, I'm a little concerned about us all sitting that far away. I think I probably have to move you guys to the center. This ray is going to go out parallel. from here, it's going away from me in that direction. We're looking for where those two rays meet. They don't seem to unless you start thinking backwards. So if I project that ray backwards, like in this direction, and I project this ray backwards, it looks to me like where they meet is behind the mirror. And that's good because I've already calculated that it should be a negative. So I think it's going to meet right about there. Now I can confirm it with a third ray. If I take a ray that comes into the center of the mirror right here, it'll bounce out as far down as it was high. So if you're measuring 1 centimeter up, it's going to hit 1 centimeter down. A little hard to draw on this. So I'm trying to go as far below that line as I went above to hit it. Where I see all of those rays converging to, that's where I should get the image. It's not exactly turning out as I predicted. I'm somewhere around 25. Didn't we actually get negative 30? Now, you guys might be able to do a more accurate board drawing than I did with this. And if I measure my height, I'm getting a height of about 3 centimeters. So that's telling me that when we put those numbers in before, I let us put in the numbers backwards. The 30 should have been on top, and the 10 should have been underneath.